Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily dive into the smartest tech on the market. Today, we're taking flight with a compact yet impressively capable drone that's built for creators, travelers, and everyday adventurers. Say hello to the Potensic Atom SE Fly More Combo, a GPS drone that weighs less than 249 grams, but don't let its size fool you. This lightweight powerhouse delivers serious performance. Right out of the gate, this drone stands out for its 4K camera with Electronic Image Stabilization (EIS). Whether you're flying over landscapes or tracking moving subjects, your footage stays smooth, sharp, and stable even in breezy conditions. The 12MP sensor captures crisp stills and UHD video, perfect for content creators who want pro-level visuals on the go. Now, let's talk flight time, because Potensic went above and beyond here. You get 93 minutes of total flight time, thanks to the 3 included batteries. Each battery gives you up to 31 minutes in the air. Combined with a 4 km FPV transmission range, this drone opens up vast possibilities for exploration and cinematic shooting. Despite all that power, the Atom SE stays under 249 grams, which means no FAA registration required in many regions, making it travel-friendly and beginner-approved. The compact body folds neatly into the carrying case, and setup takes just seconds. Performance-wise, the brushless motors ensure efficient, stable flight with less noise and longer lifespan. The drone can hit speeds of up to 16 meters per second, giving you the control and responsiveness needed to tackle wind and fast-moving scenes. And with GPS-assisted features like auto return to home, follow me, waypoint flight, and circle fly, it's as smart as it is fast. Another standout is the 60W fast parallel charging hub included in the Fly More combo. It can charge all 3 batteries simultaneously, saving you time and keeping you ready for action. Whether you're a beginner pilot or a YouTube content creator looking for your next aerial companion, the Potensic Atom SE hits that sweet spot between performance, portability, and price. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome reviews, and check the link below to grab your own Potensic Atom SE Fly More combo. It's time to elevate your footage literally.